Hello, students, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Julie, as you already know, and tonight we are back for another lesson. Tonight we're going to be working on just one little word again, alone, and that little word is about. Okay, so let's take a look at this word about that some people find very confusing, but it's not, and you're going to see that. So the word about is used in a variety of ways depending on the context. In this lesson, I'm going to give you lots of examples so that you will be able to use this word correctly and with confidence. About is used as a preposition to indicate a topic or a subject. For example, we can talk about it in my office later this afternoon if you are available. What is that book about? Did he tell you about it? About what? About the company merger. No, he didn't mention anything about it. Why didn't you ask him about his previous experience and educational background? The teacher asked the students to write about their summer vacations. I don't know much about him, but he seems like a nice guy. Yeah, sure he does. He seems like a nice guy. I'm sure that by tomorrow she will have forgotten all about it. Don't worry about it. He said that he doesn't want to talk about it anymore. That's one thing that I really like about you. We didn't know anything about it then, but now we know everything about it. And then we've all heard this question before. Tell me about yourself during those job interviews. That's the question they'll always ask you. Tell me about yourself. She's always talking about herself and all her accomplishments. We are really worried about him. He seemed really upset this morning. What's this all about? About is also used as a preposition to express an approximate number, amount, time, or quantity. For example, I think it's about 2 miles or so from here, so we can ride our bikes to get there. He is about 6 feet tall. I have about $100 left in my wallet. They will arrive about noon tomorrow, I guess. Supper will be ready in about 20 minutes. So go wash your hands, then you can set the table. This restaurant is so slow. We have been waiting for our food for about an hour now. I think it weighs about 100 pounds. That looks pretty heavy, maybe even more than 100 pounds. Poor guy. The plane will land in about 30 minutes. So please fasten your seatbelts. The mechanic said that it would cost about $500 to fix my car. Oh no, $500, that's a lot of money. He said that he will be about 10 minutes late for the meeting. It will take about 3 months to complete all the renovations. Our group meets about once a month. You can add about 2 teaspoons of sugar. Only about 10 people showed up, so we canceled the event. I need about 30 envelopes. I'll be away from the office for about 10 days next month. About is also used as an adverb to mean almost or nearly, or that something is close to happening. It's funny that you called me because I was just about to call you. Look at that. What a coincidence. I was just about to say something, but I forget what I was going to say. We were just about to leave when Carl showed up. I was about to tell him, but then I decided that he didn't really need to know. You can all sit at the table now. I'm just about to serve breakfast. The turkey is just about done. Oh, and I love turkey dinner. So delicious. Just wait a few minutes. The game is just about finished. Our guests are about to arrive, and I haven't finished making the dessert. Better hurry up. About is also used for making suggestions. For example, how about going out for dinner tonight? How about we meet downtown and go shopping for a couple of hours? That looks like fun. How about I pay for lunch and you pay for dessert? How about we split the traveling expenses? How about taking a break now for a few minutes? How about calling before you come over? How about helping me with the housework this weekend? Looks like Mom is stuck doing the housework alone again. Hopefully, they'll help her later after this video finishes. How about you take the window seat on the way there and I'll take it on the way back? How about you drive this time? How about leaving some for the others? How about playing a game tonight instead of watching TV? How about we stay another night? How about making a barbecue tonight? Okay, I'm in. How about we work on this project together? How about you join us for dinner tonight? How about going for a walk later? How about putting your dirty dishes in the sink for a change? How about setting some goals for yourself this year? How about lowering your voice because the neighbors can hear you? We also use to go about doing something when referring to handling a problem or performing a task. For example, how will you go about solving this problem? I'm not sure how I will go about it. She asked her manager how to go about requesting a leave of absence. She didn't know how to go about writing a research paper, so she asked for help. They don't know how to go about applying for a permanent residency. If you want to start a small business, this book will tell you how to go about it. He went about it in a completely different way, but it worked out really well. That's it. That's how we use the little word about in a variety of different sentences, depending on the context. So if that video helped you and you liked it, you can put a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, or just say hello. If you guys need to improve your English quickly, you can get yourselves a copy of Basic English. This is the 4th edition, published and distributed everywhere in the world by McGraw-Hill. If you get a copy of this workbook, which will really help you a lot, it's a great workbook. I want you to start on the first page, complete every page right through to the end of the workbook. The answer key is at the back to support you while you are learning. Did I tell you it's available everywhere, online bookstores, and of course on Amazon? You can get it easily there. If you need help with your English verb tenses, you can get yourselves a copy of English Verb Tenses. It's a book, yes. Great workbook to help you improve your English verb tenses. Everybody tells me they have so much difficulty understanding and using English verb tenses. I don't know why. It's so easy. If you get a copy of this book, it's available everywhere online. Especially, you can find it on Amazon very quickly. I want you to start on the first page, complete every page right through to the end of the workbook. The answer key is also at the back to support you while you are learning. Okay, great. So that's all we're going to talk about for now. So I'm going to see you guys in the next lesson. So good night for now.